I like to think of my grandfather, my papa, as an entrepreneur. He was the first one to start a business in our family. He didn't even have an education or anything, and he started a cab company, which he ran very successful for a few years. It was called Checkered Cab Company here in Spartanburg. If you go back, our family had never gone to college. They had never done anything really significant until my papa started the company, which also provided finances and things to allow my dad to be the first one to go to college. So I look at my papa as our foundation of our family. The one unique thing about my papa is he always loved on people. And I remember this more distinctly is when he started delivering medicines after he had sold the cab company to elderly mostly in the community. And I probably wasn't in the first grade, or maybe even before that. I would go ride around with him. I would see him go up to the door and talk to people, engage in people, people that might not have hope. He was like speaking hope and goodness into it, encouraging them. And then he would have me deliver the medicines to the doors. And man, he was really hard on me the way that I did it. If I didn't say thank you or tell the lady, you know, I love you, have a great day, he would make me go do it again. What he was doing is he was putting some values in my heart and in my life that I never knew that, you know, I would use until later. The initials LEL, it's my initials, my papa's initials, my dad's initials. I was the third growing up, so a lot of my name is a lot about where I came from and who poured into me and invested in me. So it's not just a name, it's not just a brand, it's more than that. Whether it was with my papa, my dad, one thing they've always done is pointed to the potential. And one thing I've been able to develop in my life is when some people don't see a great situation, man, I see a diamond. And I've been given that talent, and that's just something that's been unique to me. Most people see used equipment and they're like, well, I can never do anything with that. There's potential there, and there's going to be a need there, and there's going to be something that services people there. And it's the same thing with people as well. Sometimes people, they think they're, you know, hey, my career's done, or this is as good as it gets. We don't believe that here. We believe there's bigger and better potential. Just like the piece of equipment's going to go and serve a customer, we believe that your potential to go and serve the customer is greater as well. We're not worried about whether it makes sense or whether it pushes the bottom line. We're just here worried about whether it's going to impact lives.